how to spot clean a pet stain, right? So I'm going to use a little bit of this here. Okay, ignore that. Okay, a little bit of water. And Nature's Miracle. Because I don't like wasting this stuff, it's really expensive. Alright. Take a little bit of this stuff and let me see if I can get this all in the camera here. I'm going to try and make that stain over again. I don't have enough water. It's not big enough. It looks kind of like the original scene of the crime now. So that's the point. I want to soak this in and let it get into the padding that's underneath. And maybe give it a few minutes, right? So after that happens, we'll complete the rest of the process. This stain was actually treated already, but that's basically the first half of the process is soaking it up and letting the stuff soak in. But once you put this in the carpet, you do have to rinse it out. Of course, especially if there's a residual stain that you see here. All right, so let's see how easy this is to do with one hand. So basically what I did was I waited a little bit, let the stuff soak in. I added some more water, and now I'm going to go on ahead and vacuum the water up. Or, oh shit. Now I'm going to vacuum the water up. So this is what it looks like now. I'm not sure if you could tell where the stain is, but this is, the next part of this is actually doing another rinse. So you take your water, and do another rinse. Problem solved.